Water plays an important role in treating diseases related to the stomach and lungs, as it helps break up phlegm caused by heat in the body, relieves vomiting, thirst, and coughing, and aids in detoxification and immune system improvement. However, many patients report that drinking 2 liters of water daily can be quite difficult. For those who find it challenging, there are alternative teas that can help with lung health and potentially aid in preventing lung cancer. The first beneficial tea for lung health is Iosanko, Japanese knotweed, tea. This herb is named after the fishy odor that comes from crushing its leaves. It has a spicy flavor and slightly warming properties. Iosanko is known to treat conditions such as pneumonia, bronchitis, tuberculosis, and enteritis, while boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. It also acts as a detoxifier, helping to cleanse accumulated toxins from the body. This tea is useful for treating skin conditions like acne and is effective in improving the air quality inside homes, such as in the case of Newhouse syndrome. The second tea is grapefruit peel tea. This tea was enjoyed by the kings of the Joseon dynasty due to its many health benefits. Grapefruit peel contains 4 times more vitamin C and 40 to 60 times more vitamin B than the fruit itself. This makes it excellent for relieving fatigue, boosting immunity, and reducing inflammation. Grapefruit peel tea is particularly effective in alleviating symptoms of lung conditions by clearing phlegm, reducing coughing, and preventing colds. The last tea we introduce is Peppa, bellflower, root tea. This herb has been known for its powerful medicinal properties since ancient times. Pepper root is rich in carotenoids, which help to strengthen the immune system, relieve phlegm, and reduce coughing. It is beneficial for respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Additionally, it helps with fatigue recovery and stimulates appetite. Pepper root is particularly effective for reducing heat in the lungs and stomach, helping to relieve symptoms caused by excess heat, such as phlegm, vomiting, and excessive thirst. Drinking these beneficial teas can support lung health, especially for those recovering from lung conditions. Now, when it comes to bad habits that contribute to lung cancer, one significant factor is cooking in poorly ventilated kitchens. Recently, the number of female lung cancer patients has been rising, and surprisingly, 87.6% of them do not smoke. This shows that smoking is not the only contributing factor to lung cancer. Poor ventilation while cooking, such as not turning on the range hood, can expose individuals to harmful cooking fumes and other pollutants, which are significant risk factors for lung disease and cancer. If proper ventilation is not maintained while cooking, especially when using oil for frying, harmful fumes can accumulate, affecting the air quality in your home. It's crucial to ventilate the kitchen properly and ensure the range hood is turned on at least 5 minutes before cooking. This allows any harmful gases to be effectively cleared from the kitchen. Alcohol consumption is another major risk factor for lung health, and it's essential to avoid drinking alcohol to reduce the risk of lung cancer. Studies have shown that drinking more than 3 alcoholic drinks per day can increase the likelihood of developing lung cancer by 30%. Therefore, steering clear of alcohol and adopting a habit of drinking lung-cleansing teas is highly recommended for maintaining lung health. Lung cleansing is absolutely vital for overall health. In addition to drinking healthy teas, adopting specific lifestyle habits can greatly reduce the risk of lung cancer. The first and most significant action is to avoid smoking and to stay away from secondhand smoke. Smoking is the leading cause of lung cancer and one of the top contributors to overall cancer mortality. If you quit smoking, your chances of developing lung cancer reduce by 50% after 10 years and decrease even further by 75% after 15 years. Therefore, quitting smoking not only benefits your own health but also protects those around you from the harmful effects of secondhand smoke. Another critical factor in lung cancer prevention is environmental and stress management. It is essential to keep the air indoors clean, which can be achieved by using an air purifier regularly. This helps reduce exposure to harmful substances such as fine dust, radon, and asbestos. It's important to avoid inhaling toxic gases and pollutants, especially during times when air quality is poor, such as during a haze or pollution levels in the atmosphere are high. Wearing a mask in such conditions is a simple yet effective way to protect your lungs. If your job exposes you to dust, chemicals, or other toxic materials regularly, it's crucial to take extra precautions to maintain lung health and prevent the onset of diseases like lung cancer. This may include regularly cleaning your environment and undergoing health screenings. Managing stress levels is just as important as managing environmental factors. Chronic stress has a profound impact on the immune system, weakening its ability to fight off infections and diseases. Prolonged stress can impair immune cells, making your body more susceptible to conditions like lung cancer. Therefore, it is vital to engage in activities that help manage stress, such as pursuing healthy hobbies, exercising regularly, maintaining positive thinking, and cultivating a mindset of gratitude. These practices can reduce the harmful effects of stress and promote better overall health. Finally, it is essential to avoid overworking and living a lifestyle that places excessive strain on both the body and mind. Pushing beyond your physical and mental limits can result in burnout, fatigue, and overall exhaustion, which can lead to weakened immunity. When the immune system is compromised, the body becomes more susceptible to a wide range of diseases, including cancer. One of the key aspects of maintaining good health is finding a balance between work and rest. It is important to acknowledge when your body is tired and give it the rest it deserves. Taking regular breaks, getting sufficient sleep, and allowing the body to recharge will help restore your energy levels and strengthen the immune system. Rest is not just about sleep, but also about rejuvenating the body's natural healing processes. When you take time to rest, you allow your body to recover from the stress it has accumulated throughout the day, and this is vital for keeping the body strong and healthy. A body that is well rested can more effectively defend itself against various illnesses, including lung cancer. Consistently maintaining a balanced routine that includes good sleep hygiene and self-care is crucial for overall wellness. In addition to proper rest, managing mental and emotional stress is equally important. Chronic stress can damage the immune system, disrupt the balance of hormones in the body, and create an environment where disease can flourish. It's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress, whether through meditation, deep breathing exercises, hobbies, or simply taking time to relax. Incorporating stress-relieving activities into your daily routine helps to keep your mind calm and the body in harmony. Excessive fatigue, constant mental stress, regular alcohol consumption, and drug dependency are all significant contributors to a lifestyle that pushes the body beyond its limits. These factors lead to the accumulation of harmful toxins and imbalances within the body, creating conditions where chronic inflammation and weakened immune function can thrive. When the body is in this state, it becomes more vulnerable to chronic conditions like lung cancer. It's important to recognize the signs of burnout and listen to your body's cues. When you feel tired, rest is not optional, it's essential. By taking steps to prevent fatigue and stress, and focusing on a lifestyle that nurtures your body, you can significantly lower the risk of developing serious health problems, including lung cancer. Additionally, engaging in regular physical activity is another key component of lung cancer prevention. At least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise every day can have tremendous benefits for your health. Aerobic exercise, such as walking, jogging, or cycling, helps to promote lymphatic circulation, improve cardiovascular health, and boost the immune system. A consistent exercise routine supports healthy weight management, which in turn contributes to the prevention of many chronic diseases, including cancer. When you engage in regular exercise, you're not just improving your physical fitness, but you're also actively reducing your risk of developing serious health issues. It's important to note that the quality of the air you breathe also plays a role in maintaining lung health. Exercising in environments with clean air and avoiding exposure to pollutants can help reduce the strain on your lungs and enhance your respiratory health. For those who live in areas with high levels of air pollution, wearing a mask while exercising outdoors or indoors can offer additional protection for the lungs. Additionally, choosing comfortable clothing while exercising and staying hydrated is essential for optimizing your performance and avoiding dehydration. Stretching before and after exercise is also vital to prevent injury and keep your muscles flexible and strong. Today, we've discussed several ways to prevent and treat lung cancer, focusing on a healthy lifestyle, balanced nutrition, and natural remedies. In past sessions, we've covered topics like rhinitis and asthma, and today's focus on lung cancer is equally important. By following proper dietary recommendations, incorporating herbal teas into your routine, and adhering to a healthy lifestyle, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing lung cancer. These simple but effective steps can promote overall health and help you live a longer, healthier life. It's crucial to understand that lung cancer, like many other diseases, doesn't just happen overnight. It is the result of lifestyle choices and environmental factors that accumulate over time. The good news is that by making small changes to your daily habits, you can greatly improve your lung health and overall well-being. I encourage you to take charge of your health by practicing these preventative measures, adopting healthy habits, and making wellness a priority in your life. I wish all of you the best of health, and I hope that you will continue to take steps to protect your body from diseases like lung cancer. Stay active, stay mindful of what you eat, and always prioritize rest and recovery. With these practices, you will be on the path to a healthier and happier life.